Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurin Najihah binti Kamaliza. My metric number is 047315. I am going to presenting the test 2, which is the questions 2. Explain the similarities, differences and rights for migrant workers and also refugee. For the introduction, what is the differences between immigrants and refugees? According to the definition, people often assume there is no difference between immigrants and refugees, but the difference is important for economic, social, and also legal reasons. For refugees are forced to leave their home countries because of war, environmental disaster, political persecution, and also religious or ethnic intolerance. They come to the government with a special immigrant status that gives them automatic admissions into the country and helps them connect with family members who are already in the country. The status also provides them with a green card or a permit of work. Refugees are invited to leave the refugee receiving country to start a new life. Why? Immigrants are coming because of the economic factor. They are coming for seeking work and a better life for them and also their family. Immigrants and also refugees have a good deal in common. They experience new cultures and languages. They are often as ethnic minorities who might face open discrimination or other forms of hostility, regardless of their immigration status. The main differences of choice, simply speaking, a migrant is someone who chooses to move. A refugee is someone who has forced their home. Refugee, according to the Office of United Nations High Commissioner of Refugee, which is the United Nations HCR, are people who are fleeing armed conflicts or persecution, and for whom denial of asylum has potential deadly consequences. Refugees leave their home because of dangerous for them to stay. Turning refugees away could mean sentencing them to death. They often arrive without their belongings, sometimes without pre-planning. While migrants, on the other hand, may move for any number of reasons. Some of them move to the with family or because of the economic reasons. Others more for the education. Many of them return to their home countries after a few years. They are often able to plan their own travel and bring or sell their belongings. But it doesn't mean that all the migrants are moving from a good situations to the better ones. Unfortunately, no. Many people migrated because their homes have become dangerous and difficult to live in. They might be flew from an arrest, famine, drug, or economic collapse. But unless they are in danger of conflict of persecution, they are not considered as a refugee. The distinction between immigrants and refugees are important because an international convention in 1951 outlined certain rights of people them as refugees, whereas migrants have no such rights. Refugees are protected from being deported or returned to the situation that might threaten their life. They are to be given access to social services and to be integrated into their new country society, while the migrants are subjected to a country immigration law and procedures and can be turned away or deported to their homeland. That's all from me. Thank you.